Hello everyone, this is a criticism lesson plan on antonyms by pupil teacher Itika Sirika. It has been conducted for the students of class 10 studying in Vasant Kanya Inter College with a duration of 35 minutes. The general objectives of this plan is to enable the students to understand the grammatical pattern of a sentence, enhance their foundation for effective language learning, develop fluency and accuracy in the reading, writing, speaking and listening skills, foster confidence and positive attitude in varied contexts amongst themselves, and to acquire language competency in terms of correct phonology, morphology, and syntax. The specific objectives of this plan is to enable the student to select the correct definition of antonyms, match the words with its antonym pair, explain the difference between a pair of antonyms, give examples of antonyms, and use antonyms to complete sentences. Students must be aware of common terms which stand in contrast to one another as previous knowledge. Varied teaching aids like flashcards, rollerboard, chits, models, along with other classroom aids have been used for the completion of this lesson plan. The induction of the class had been set using questions which were answered by the students in general. Which part of our body helps us to see? Answer: eyes helps us to see. What are the two main colors inside the eyes? Black and white are the two main colors inside the eyes. How are black and white color related? Black and white color are opposites. What are opposite word better known as? Antonyms is the correct answer. Then the teacher states the aim of the class, which is we are going to read about antonyms which are commonly known as opposite words. In reality, there are a lot of antonyms, but we shall deal with a few pairs in our class today. Then, sentences are written on the blackboard one by one, and it is followed by the displaying of the flashcard, and the meaning of the words are asked to the students, and it is written down in the blackboard as well. After the three sentences are done, the teacher generalizes the class by stating the meanings and establishing the concept of antonyms. Then, the definition of antonyms is asked to the students, and then it is stated by the teacher and then written down on the blackboard. In order to ensure that the concept has been established, recognition drill is conducted with three sentences on the roller board. After inquiring if everybody has followed the class, the teacher summarizes the day's lesson and then erases the blackboard. As a replica of the specific objective, five evaluation questions are set and conducted. Lastly, a homework is written on the blackboard, which is to write a paragraph on the topic of your choice using antonyms. Thank you.